Hello and welcome. Today I'm going to be remodeling this closet from the standard shelf and rod to a more usable design. I'm going to be building most of it from 1x2 framing wood and 12-inch melamine shelving. The plan is to also cover the side with some 3-inch trim to give it a professional look. Headed over to Lowe's and picked up some 1x2s over here. And we picked up some trim over here, both 8 feet long. Just making some initial cuts to get some test pieces fitted as a dry fit. You can see over here, I can make the frame connect over here, and then it kind of leaves a gap to where I can put in another piece that I can cut shorter that sits flush with the wall. And that way I have a bit of a better connection in there. I'm using some 1.5 inch and 2-inch brad nails, finish nails, 18 gauge. So we're going to start off real simple. Put these together like so. Great. It's not the best connection, but once it's in the wall, it's going to be great. So it's just real simple, tacking these together. Each side. Screw it up. Kind of have to decide on how tall we want these to be. So here is the framing done. As you can see, we have 3 on each side, and then in the middle, there's a bit of a space. There's going to be a bottom shelf down there, and then just missing in the middle, and a top shelf up there. All right. And yeah, the way I installed these is put a level, and then I just popped some nails back in the corners. For this back piece, I just nailed it to the wall. And then for the middle brace here, I just kind of wedged it in place. I marked out where the shelves were gonna be, like so. I put in a shelf in there, and I scored it with a pencil. Put this in, and I popped some nails back there just to keep it in place. Yeah. So in the middle shelves are going to go in there. I did want to do one more thing. Over here where they join up, one board is going to end here, and the other one, you can see down here, it won't have a support over here. So I'm just going to add a couple of blocks. Which I cut over here. I'm just going to add these just to have something to nail into once we put these in. So I've got some scrap pieces of, it's called melamine board here, that was from an old closet. I'm going to try to see if I can reuse, cut it to size to fit in the new closet. I've got all these to size. Now we're just going to dry fit them. Make sure they all fit in there. see. And we're just gonna try and do our best here. Well, over here we're going to put a 3-inch facing, and then underneath, so that we don't see this this ugly wood. Well, not ugly, but it looks like framing. We're going to put a thin board. So I scavenged these from the old closet, and I cut them to the exact same size of these shelves. So let's see how that kind of fits in. I'll show you this one at the top over here. I've gone ahead and I've done this and this and that all around. And, oh, there's a bit of a chip there, but that's all right. We're gonna put on the facing now. First we have to measure it. So I'm gonna go cut the trim for this, and we'll be right back. All right.
If you enjoyed the content, please remember to like and subscribe. We'll be doing more DIY videos on the channel in the future.
Next up, we're going to caulk all these holes and use some wood filler.
In order to give the drywall compound something to stick to, I put some foam core board and cut it to size and jammed it in the hole.
This is mostly finished up now. I've patched up the sides there so they're continuous with some drywall compound. Whoops. Back over there. It's still drying. I'm going come in and sand it a bit, and we'll probably do another coat. We'll see. But once it's fully dry, I think that's gonna look nice.